Hey, I'm Sean Fenneman from Allied Marine. I'd like to welcome you aboard Safari, a 2013 50-foot Riviera. This boat is really kept by a knowledgeable yachtsman in Bristol fashion. She's got fantastic Cummins engines, a very high gloss cherry wood interior, a pocketed tender garage, and as you can see, a very open and airy feeling. I know you're going to like what you see. One of the greatest features of this 50 Riviera is this movable tender platform that you can drop down. Makes it easy for diving, or if you're in Compass Cay, for the sharks to sit. And then you've got a tender garage that actually pockets a really nice inflatable. So you've got your tender self-contained in your boat. It's not out in the aft deck or in the weather. It keeps the tender really nice, and it's ready to go, as you can see, in 30 seconds. So you can't get easier for launching a tender than this. You can see we can even do it underway.